Welcome to Skincare Routines tutorial, where we embark on a journey to discover the secrets of achieving healthy, glowing skin. In this tutorial, we'll explore the fundamental steps of a skincare routine, from cleansing and treating to moisturizing and protecting. Join us as we delve into the world of skincare and learn how to care for our skin to unleash its natural beauty. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wonderful world of skincare routines. Performing a skincare routine involves several steps aimed at cleansing, treating, moisturizing, and protecting the skin. Here's a narrated guide on how to perform a basic skincare routine. Begin by wetting your face with lukewarm water. Take a small amount of your chosen facial cleanser and massage it gently onto your skin using circular motions. Pay attention to areas prone to oiliness, such as the forehead, nose, and chin, as well as areas with makeup or sunscreen. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water, ensuring that all cleanser residue is removed. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel, avoiding harsh rubbing. After cleansing, you may choose to exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells and reveal smoother, brighter skin. Apply an exfoliating scrub or chemical exfoliant to your fingertips and gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat dry. Next, apply a small amount of toner to a cotton pad or directly onto your fingertips. Gently sweep the toner across your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Allow the toner to absorb into your skin for a few seconds before proceeding to the next step. If you have any targeted treatments or serums, apply them to your skin after toning. Use your fingertips to apply a pea-sized amount of treatment or serum to your face and neck, focusing on specific concerns like acne, hyperpigmentation, or fine lines. Gently pat the product into your skin until fully absorbed. Following treatment, it's time to moisturize. Dispense a small amount of moisturizer onto your fingertips and gently massage it onto your face and neck using upward and outward motions. Pay extra attention to dry or dehydrated areas, ensuring even coverage. Allow the moisturizer to fully absorb into your skin before applying any additional products. Complete your skincare routine by applying sunscreen. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, and apply it evenly to your face and neck. Be sure to cover all exposed areas of skin, including the ears and the back of the neck. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, or more frequently, if swimming or sweating. Performing these steps consistently, both morning and night, will help to keep your skin clean, healthy, and protected from environmental damage. Adjustments to the routine can be made based on individual skin type, concerns, and preferences. Let us know in the comments section other methods you have been using to unleash your natural beauty. Please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.